Is Samsung better than iPhone? If yes, check this out. Look at this phone. This was sent to us from one of our customers and it's literally destroyed. It's bent. It doesn't even turn on. And he wants to see if we can fix this. What do you think? Let's get started. Damn, look at this. Everything is like destroyed. This is power button. It's broken already here. That's the antenna. And this one as well. Hopefully the mainboard is not damaged. Look at this battery. Unbelievable. Is this a hidden gold? Yeah, buddy. Damn. Guys, I found the gold inside the phone. They were hiding from you. Look at this battery, what happened? Poor battery. Nope. Pew! And this is the charging port. This is all we have left. I'm gonna order the new screen with a whole new frame. We can't use this frame, it's all broken. Houston, we got a problem. See right there. This is the connector for the main board and it got a short. So when you charge it, it don't charge all the way, it only stays on 1%. So what we have to do, take this whole thing on the main board and resolder a new one, same like this. See like how strong is this one? And right there you see like it's about to come off. Nope, we have to change that. The moment you all have been waiting. Your phone is ready, sir. Look at that. Can I get a wow? Still working. Look at this, like brand new again. So, what do you think? Who is better now? I think Samsung won. Comment below. What do you think?
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look